안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. This is used to say hello in a polite manner. Again, 안녕하세요 is used to say hello in a polite manner. Next word is 안녕하십니까. Again, it's 안녕하십니까. This is used to say hello in a formal manner. Again, 안녕하십니까 is used to say hello in a formal manner. Next word is 감사합니다. Again, it's 감사합니다. This is used to say thank you in a formal manner. Again, this is used to say thank you in a formal manner. 죄송합니다. This is used to say I'm sorry in a formal manner. Again, 죄송합니다 is used to say I'm sorry in a formal manner. Next word is 저기요. Again, it's 저기요. This is used to say excuse me to call the attention of someone in a polite manner. Again, 저기요 is used to say excuse me. Next word is 잠시만요. Again, it's 잠시만요. This is used to say just a second, and this can be used when you are trying to excuse yourself while passing through a crowd. Again, it's 잠시만요. Next word is 안녕히 가세요. Again, 안녕히 가세요. This is used to say goodbye when you are staying, and this is used to address the person who is leaving. Again, it's 안녕히 가세요. Next word is 안녕히 계세요, and this is used to say goodbye when you are leaving and the person you are talking to is staying. Again, it's 안녕히 계세요. Next word is 고마워. Again, it's 고마워. This is used to say thank you in an informal manner. Again, 고마워 is used to say thank you in an informal manner. Next word is 안녕. Again, it's 안녕. This is used to say hello or goodbye in an informal manner. Again, 안녕 is used to say hello or goodbye in an informal manner. 반갑습니다. 반갑습니다. This is used to say nice to meet you in a shortened way. Again, 반갑습니다 is a shortened way of saying nice to meet you. Next word is 여보세요. Again, it's 여보세요. This is used to say hello while talking through a phone. Again, 여보세요 is used to say hello when you are talking through a telephone. Next word is 사과. Again, 사과. This is simply the Korean term for apple. Again, 사과 is the Korean term for apple. Next word is 돈. Again, it's 돈. This is the Korean term for money. Again, 돈 is simply money. Next word is 맥주. Again, this is pronounced as 맥주. This is simply the Korean term for beer. Again, 맥주 is beer in Korean. Next word is 주세요. Again, it's 주세요. This is used to say, please give me. So this is more likely attached to another word to say that you are asking for that certain thing. So that's 주세요. Next word is 잘 가. Again, 잘 가. This is used to say go well, or another way of saying goodbye to someone who is leaving a place. Again, 잘 가 means go well. Next word is 잘했어. Again, it's 잘했어. This is used to say be well, and this is used when you are leaving the place, and you're more likely to say this to people that are staying on that place that you are leaving. Next word is 고맙다. Again, 고맙다. And this is a way of saying thank you in Korean. Again, 고맙다 is being thankful, or simply used to say thank you in Korean. Next word is another way to say thank you. It's 고맙습니다. Again, 고맙습니다. And this is another formal way of saying thank you in Korean. 감사해요. 감사해요. This is another way of saying thank you, and this is used to say thank you in a polite but less formal way. Again, 감사해요 means thank you. Next word is 좋다. This is an adjective which means to be good, but this is also used to say that something is good. Again, 좋다 means good or to be good. Next word is 그만해. Again, it's 그만해. This is used to say stop it or enough in an informal manner. Again, it's 그만해. Next word is 친구. Again, it's 친구. This is simply the Korean term for friend. Again, 친구 is the Korean term for friend. Next word is 고마워요. Again, it's 고마워요. This is a polite way of saying thank you in Korean. Again, 고마워요 is a polite way of saying thank you. Next is 잠깐만 or 잠깐만. And this is used to say wait a minute or hold on. Again, this word is 잠깐만 or 잠깐만, which means wait a minute. Next word is 빨리. Again, it's 빨리. This is used to say hurry up. Again, 빨리 is used to say hurry up in Korean. Next word is 그냥. Again, it's 그냥. This is used to say just because or there is no specific reason. Again, 그냥 means just because. Next word is ito ba. Again, it's ito ba, and this is used to say see you later. Again, ito ba is used to say see you later in Korean. Next word is to 보자. Again, it's to 보자. This is used to say see you again in Korean. Again, to 보자 is used to say see you again in Korean.